Hello everyone. So from today we will begin our week 5 about geometry problem. So I think geometry is very interesting because in geometry also you can guess, you can use different method to find out the answer. So let's have a look. For question 21, here is a big circle. So for the circle, to calculate the area, you have already know that maybe the square area is the circle area is pi r square, right? So in this question we know this one we separate this big circle into 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we know Alan takes pieces 2 and 3, and Belinda takes pieces 1 and 4. So we need to find out, maybe we need to find out firstly the difference between 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3, right? So obviously, right, 3 plus 2 is much bigger than 1 plus 4. So actually we need to calculate 2 plus 3 and minus bracket 1 plus 4. So now let's have a look. Actually, you don't know some formulas that we can directly calculate 1's area and the 4's area or 2 and 3's area. So what can we do? There is a very famous method called cut-paste method. So if you see this picture is so hard, you can separate into several parts and find out whether we can find something same or something we can just cancel from the picture. Now let's have a look. You see this one 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, and this height 2 centimeter, which means we can separate 3 centimeter from this line. Let's draw it. So we can see the 5 centimeter can separate into 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Of course, maybe this one I separate 1 into 2 parts, and also this one, I can another draw a line. So this one is still 2 centimeter, and this one is 3 centimeter. And remember, this line and this line is symmetric, and also this line and this line is also symmetric. So actually it's very easy to help us to calculate this length is what? This length is 7.5. Actually, because of the symmetric, this one is 2 centimeter. Also, this length is 2 centimeter. So the length between this line, it will become 7.5 minus 2 equals to 5.5. Okay, so now remember what we are calculating. We are calculating 2 plus 3 minus bracket 1 plus 4, right? So let's have a look. Firstly, you can see, okay, this part and this part is same. If we do the minus, these two area will be cancelled. So we can cancel this one, and also you see this part, and this part also same. So we can also do the cancel. Actually, now the remaining part is this part 3 and this part 4. Can we find some similar part? Yes. This area and this area is also the same. So we can also do the delete. After that, the remaining part is just the medium rectangular. So it's very easy for us to calculate this kind of rectangular. So how much more area Alan take? Actually, it's this rectangular. We have already know the two side is the two side is 2 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter. So actually, it's very easy to calculate. Actually, the area is 2 times 7.5 minus 2 equals to 11 centimeter square. So what's the meaning of this part area? This area is supposed to be divided equally between the two of them, right? So Alan and Belinda used to have to separate this rectangle, right? So now Alan should give Belinda how many money? Yeah, it should be 11 divided by 2 and times $1,000. So the answer is $5,500. Okay. So about this question, you don't need to calculate each area. Maybe you want to calculate one's area is what, and fourth area is what, two's area is what, and three's area is what. Actually, you can, but it's hard for you to calculate in primary school. But so actually, we can use the cut and paste method, and to find out what is the same part and do the cancel. After that, the remaining part is very easy to calculate, just a rectangle. Okay.